Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome me. So, today I want to prepare ginger cake because I have been craving a lot for the ginger cake. So, I have all the ingredients here. I need to prepare very fast before I go and take the kids from school. I'm just back from the job and my goodness, I could not control because it is almost how many days? 4 5 days that I've been wanting to prepare this. And it is that period of the month, ladies, you understand. So today it has just reached here, maximum. I could not resist. So before I go and take the kids, let me do this very fast and I put it in the oven, eat a little before going to school. So let's start. I have my eggs here, 2 eggs. Oh. Yep. Oh. I really. So that's the eggs, and then I put sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I think that will be mixing. 10 spoons. We smell the ginger. I love it. When it is that period of the month, the cravings are always, my cravings are always very high. And I always crave for sweet things. And this time it is just a cake with the ginger, aroma of ginger. Okay, the oil with the sugar on that. Let me see. I will put also maybe 10 spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh shit. And 10. Yep. Woo! 10. No. Ecco. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I would really appreciate. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So please support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So done. This one. We go with the flour. This one I will put 15 spoons. 1. Ow! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And then for the baking powder, I will put half. Half or 3/4. Let's see. I have put 3/4. Oops. And then I grate the magic ginger. So I have grated the ginger, put everything. So slowly by slowly you have to mix. Here's the ginger. This one I will use it to prepare to prepare tea, black tea. I love black tea with the ginger in it. Milk, warm milk. It is half, but I have to put step by step. It was half. I have to put step by step to see the consistency, because I don't want the mixture to be too light. I think now it is time to mix. Let me put pause and then I mix. So I just add all the milk. So for the milk, it was half a cup. Slowly, Mariam, slowly, slowly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. So I've already mixed. Everything is well combined. This is the consistency. So I like preparing in this tray, the pizza tray, because at least it goes very fast. And since I have like 40 minutes before going to take the kids, so at least with this one it is wide and it will go very fast in about 20 to 15 minutes. 15-20 minutes it will be ready, so that I can try, test, remove just a little bit of this craving, and then I run very fast and take the kids. Ooh. If you're like me with a lot of cravings, or if you have any craving, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so and if you see me moving, maybe putting the pause, clicking the pause button or what. It's because I don't want to. I don't like editing. I like a short and clear video. I don't time for editing. I don't have, unless it is if I want to prepare something that requires maybe for to like the croissant, like the bread, for to put in the oven for 2 hours and then to let it the dough double inside, something like that. I'll have to edit, but something like that. Okay, so 15-20 minutes, 180 degrees, and I am, or maybe 10 minutes, it depends with the type of oven that you use. So mine, it is always that one, it is very, very hot and it goes very fast. So finally, echo, whoop, and done. So let me wait for it to be ready, and then I do the testing. I remove, and then after taking the kids, I come and do the second round, the second testing with tea full of lemon and ginger. So stay tuned. And clean, and it is ready. So, still hot. You need to call testing time. It is hot. 4 5 days craving for this simple thing. So let's test. So, look, still hot, very soft. Very delicious. Marion, bravo. Good girl. You need to try this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And to try this.